All right, on a separate sheet of paper, this is our 3-3 math message. For each problem, round or use close but easier numbers to make an estimate, then solve. Use your estimate to check whether your answer is reasonable. So what we need to do is first round these, then add them. Then you actually have to solve our problem and see if your answer is reasonable using that rounded number. Okay, well, we can't round to the ones place because there's nothing before the ones, so we have to round to the tens place. That means we need to have the ones tell us what the 10 is going to do. Remember, if it's 4 or less, we let it rest. That means 4 would stay the same. If it's 5 or more, we raise the score. That means our 10 goes one more up. So, is 44 closer to 40 or 50? Well, it's 4 or less, so we're going to let it rest. So 40 plus, and 77. Well, I need to look at the ones place. Is 77 closer to 70, or will we round it up to 80? Remember, this 10 either stays the same or goes one more up. Well, 7 is 5 or more, so we raise the score. That means 7 needs to be one more. 80, and if we round in the tens place, everything afterwards becomes a 0. So 40 plus 80. Well, 80, 4 plus 8 is 12, and then I just need to add my 1 0 because we're talking about the tens. 120. Great. Now we need to actually solve our problem. So I'm going to stack them, and maybe you have a different way of solving them, but 77 plus 44. Let's see if we can get our answer closer to 120. See if it's reasonable. 7 plus 4 is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. My answer is 121. Is our answer reasonable? Yeah, look at our rounded answer. This is how we can check it easily if our numbers are close and they make sense and are reasonable. Great, I want you to do the same thing with 58 plus 96. Put me on pause, round these two numbers, add them up, and then add the actual answers. Then we'll come back and check our work. Put me on pause now and then unpause me. All right, if you are back, you have tried this problem all by yourself. Okay, 58, we'll round that tens place. 58 is super close to 60. I just have to add 2 more to get to 60, and I would have to go down 8 to get to 50. So 58 is closer to 60. Is 96 closer to 90, right? Because either this would stay the same, or are we going to round it up to 100? Well, the ones place is 5 or more, so we raise the score. We have to make 9 become a 10, which means we have 100. 100. 4 more to get to 100. Our next 10 was 100. This is where we're rounding 1, 0, and then everything after this tens place has to become a 0 as well. So what is 60 plus 100? Well, it's 160. And we always put our larger number on top, whether we're adding or multiplying, or adding, multiplying, subtracting, whatever we're doing. 96 plus, that was a really big plus sign, 58. And I know I have to start in the ones place. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 5 is 15. 154. Is our answer reasonable? They're only 6 away. That is pretty reasonable. Awesome. Let's go ahead and open our journal pages to page 69.